In the late 1920s, America believed it had reached the top of the world. Factories were running day and night. Jobs were plentiful. The stock market was soaring. People believed the American dream was unstoppable. Families invested their savings. Ordinary workers bought stocks, convinced success was guaranteed. No one imagined how quickly everything could disappear. Then came October 1929. In a matter of days, panic swept through Wall Street. Stock prices collapsed. People screamed, papers flew, fortunes vanished in seconds. The crash didn't just destroy numbers on a screen, it destroyed lives. Banks began to fail. When banks closed, people lost everything they had saved. Businesses shut down, factories went silent. By the early 1930s, millions of Americans were unemployed. Men who once provided for their families stood in breadlines, waiting for a single meal. Parents skipped food so their children could eat. Entire families were forced from their homes. Shanty towns made of scrap wood and metal appeared across cities. Out in the countryside, farmers faced another disaster. Years of drought turned fertile land into dust. Massive storms swallowed farms and homes. This became known as the Dust Bowl. Families packed what little they had and fled, searching for work that often didn't exist. Hope felt distant. Fear became part of daily life. People didn't know who to trust or what tomorrow would bring. By 1933, America was broken. That year, Franklin D. Roosevelt became president. In his first speech to the nation, he spoke words that changed history. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. He didn't deny the pain. He didn't pretend recovery would be easy. Instead, he asked Americans to believe again. Roosevelt introduced a series of programs known as the New Deal. The government created jobs to build roads, bridges, and schools. Banks were reformed and stabilized. Confidence slowly returned. People went back to work, not because life was perfect, but because hope had returned. Recovery didn't happen overnight. The Great Depression lasted for years, but step by step, America rebuilt itself. The nation learned a hard truth. Prosperity can disappear quickly, but resilience can last forever. The Great Depression reshaped America's economy, government, and identity. It taught the country the value of preparation, unity, and perseverance. And most importantly, it proved this: America isn't strong because it never falls. America is strong because it rises again and again. That lesson still matters today.